We humans are a curious bunch, always seeking new experiences, pushing boundaries. Today we're looking at some of the most dangerous countries in the world. These countries, as volatile as they may be, possess a certain allure. They offer a glimpse into cultures untouched by mass tourism, landscapes unspoiled by human development. So buckle up as we journey to the edge, exploring why these seemingly forbidding nations might just be the adventure of a lifetime. Don't worry, I've packed my flak jacket, my curiosity. Afghanistan. Just uttering the name conjures up images of conflict, of a land ravaged by war. But beneath the shadow of war lies a land of breathtaking beauty and ancient history. We're talking soaring mountain ranges, the majestic Hindu Kush, for example, that wouldn't look out of place in a Lord of the Rings film. Then there's the ancient Silk Road cities like Herat and Balkh, steeped in history. Imagine wandering through bustling bazaars, the air thick with the scent of spices and the sounds of haggling. Traveling through Afghanistan requires a certain level of grit, a willingness to embrace the unknown. But for some, that's part of the allure. The thrill of experiencing a country so raw, so untouched by the modern world, because Afghanistan, for all its challenges, has a way of getting under your skin, reminding you of the beauty that can still be found in the most unexpected of places. Somalia. The name alone evokes images of piracy on the high seas, of lawlessness and chaos. Scratch beneath the surface and you'll find a country of stark beauty. A land where ancient traditions meet modern-day challenges head-on. Imagine this: endless stretches of pristine coastline, the turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean lapping against untouched beaches. Somalia boasts the longest coastline in mainland Africa, and yet it remains largely unexplored by tourists. Picture yourself sharing tea with nomadic herders, listening to their stories under a star-studded sky. Venturing into Somalia requires careful planning, an understanding of the local customs, and a healthy dose of caution. It's a reminder that adventure, true adventure, often lies beyond the boundaries of our comfort zones. Syria. The name in recent years has become synonymous with conflict, with images of a country torn apart by war. But beneath the rubble, beyond the headlines, lies a land of extraordinary beauty and historical significance. Imagine stepping back in time, walking through the ancient ruins of Palmyra, its towering columns silhouetted against the desert sky. Or picture yourself exploring the labyrinthine alleys of Aleppo's souk, its air thick with the scent of spices and the sounds of life slowly returning. Of course, traveling to Syria today is not without its risk, but for those drawn to the allure of the ancient world, Syria offers a journey unlike any other. Yemen. Even the name evokes a sense of mystery, of a land shrouded in ancient tales and whispered secrets. Sadly, in recent years, Yemen has been plagued by conflict, its beauty overshadowed by headlines of war and humanitarian crisis. But to dismiss Yemen entirely is to miss out on a land of unparalleled beauty, a place where ancient traditions and architectural wonders transport you to another world. Imagine this: soaring mud brick cities that seem to rise organically from the desert landscape. Think Shibam, often called the Manhattan of the desert, with its towering mud brick skyscrapers. Yemen is also home to breathtaking natural beauty, from the rugged mountains of the Haraz region to the pristine beaches of Socotra Island. For those seeking adventure off the beaten path, Yemen offers a glimpse into a world both ancient and extraordinary. Venezuela, a land of staggering natural beauty, home to the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall, Angel Falls. But Venezuela is also a country grappling with political and economic turmoil. Imagine exploring the otherworldly landscapes of Canaima National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Then there's the Los Roques Archipelago, a scattering of coral islands in the Caribbean Sea. Traveling to Venezuela requires careful consideration, but for those willing to venture beyond the headlines, Venezuela offers a journey that is both humbling and exhilarating. The warmth and resilience of the Venezuelan people, their vibrant culture, is a celebration of life in the face of adversity. So there you have it, a glimpse into some of the most dangerous yet undeniably captivating corners of our world. Places that challenge our perceptions of risk and reward, that beckons with the promise of adventure and the allure of the unknown. These destinations are not for the casual traveler. They demand respect, careful planning, and a willingness to step outside of your comfort zone. If you're up for the challenge, these destinations will reward you with experiences that will stay with you long after you've returned home. Until next time, stay curious, my friends.